Note: if the tablet PC and keyboard are in the closed and locked position, slide the keyboard latch on the keyboard to the unlocked position. Open the tablet PC and rotate the tablet PC counterclockwise to the notebook position. Slide and hold the keyboard release latch on the back of the tablet PC to the unlocked position. Lift the tablet PC off of the keyboard attachment arm. Note: before attaching the keyboard to the tablet PC, ensure that the keyboard attachment arm is rotated toward the keyboard keys. Position the tablet PC in the horizontal or landscape position above the keyboard, with the tablet PC screen facing the keyboard keys. Align the 4 slots in the bottom edge of the tablet PC with the keyboard hooks, the keyboard connector, and the alignment key on the keyboard attachment arm. Lower the tablet PC onto the keyboard attachment arm until it snaps into place.